computers, I can give you controllers. They're gonna get really old really fast. Yeah, we're on with that. I woke up this morning and I could not speak.
Misho, can I interest you in Vibe Night?
What?
Vibe Night. Can I talk to you about Vibe Night?
What about Vibe Night? What would you like to know about Vibe Night, my good sir?
Yeah, Vibe Night is an awesome 9 or 10 hour event held on this last Saturday of every month with DJs from all over the world. Would you like to join us?
Yes, always.
All right, well, take a card here, Misho.
Oh, why, thank you. Oh my God, this is so wonderful. Thank you for giving us such a wonderful card.
No problem. We will see you at the next Vibe Night.
See you at Vibe Night on the last Saturday of every month.
Outstanding.
Oh my God.
I love you, man. Absolutely love you.
Oh man.
I'm out of stickers, by the way.
Yeah, already?
Yeah, I'm out of stickers.
Here,
I need more
got
stickers.
Got more. Somewhere.
Yeah, nice. Look at these awesome stickers.
I'm out. I ran out of Misho stickers. Here's a few more.
Oh, what we got? Oh, yeah, nice. All right. I will do the rest.
Have fun. Enjoy.
Always a pleasure, buddy.
Thank you for helping out.
Of course, my pleasure, man. Come here, you. Oh, you're beautiful. Oh, yeah, I love it. This is great. This speaks to the power of our platform. This is the Black Cat music, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, nice.